Thank you for calling FDC4 Production. My name is Franklin, and today I would like to share with you guys my new toys. This is my new setup. Um, let's begin with the monitor. Guys, I got myself this time. Let's see if you can see it right there. Yeah, the LG Ultra Wide monitor. This is the one that you call 34WK650, 34 inches. This monitor, guys, I bought it from Micro Center. And why did I get this in particular? I was gonna get the one that they call LG LG WKUG59. It's pretty similar. It's 34 inches. It's almost the same as this one, but the difference between this one and the another was that this one has the HDR setup, and another good feature about this one is they have the two speakers built in. The another one didn't. So for $20 of difference, mail-in rebate. Oh yeah, definitely. This one actually can be used for gaming. It has the IPS panel. LED, the display type is LED backlit. Resolution is 2560 by 1080. The connector type, you can go HDA, HDMI, or DisplayPort. Those pretty much are the the connectivity interfaces. Um, the audio output power or channel is actually 5 watts. This one actually, the response time is 5 milliseconds. It's not the greatest, but it's not the worst. You guys, the one that knows about a lot about monitors or the gamers, I'm pretty sure that you know that the lower the response time amount that a monitor has, the better, and the higher the hertz, the better. This monitor actually 75 hertz, 5 milliseconds. The reason why I didn't go lower is because I just only needed this for video editing. I'm really not a gamer. So some people were saying, oh, you should go with 1 millisecond response time and 144 hertz. But those monitors are over $800. Not for the budget. So I actually feel pretty comfortable with this one, and I'm pretty sure it's gonna do a great job for my video editing for YouTube only. Maybe some of you might be wondering, what is the laptop doing over there? It is not a brand new laptop. It is my old rack. That's the laptop that I have been working all this time, and I gotta tell you, the last few months it has been a freaking nightmare with this laptop. It heat up a lot. It shut down every 5 minutes. I try to troubleshoot it and do my best, but I don't have that pretty much time in order to get on top of it. So I got to the point that I really hated it so much. I wanted to destroy it with a big hammer right after I got this new setup, but somebody from my family is gonna get it away from me and probably is gonna give it a better treatment. But honestly, I really wanted to I wanted to make a separate video about breaking up this computer only. But unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to provide you that. I'm gonna give it away. I think somebody else might do a better job with it. Now, here, that's my computer, my new thing. This is the Ibuy Power. It's a gaming desktop. Again, I got it because I strongly believe that the gaming computer are the best one for you to do your video editing and stuff like that. It's overkilling, yes, I understand, but who knows? Maybe one of these days I might feel like, you know what? Let me play Fortnite or anything else in there, and some Need for the Speed, or you never know, and I have it there handy. This computer comes with an Intel Core i7 8700K processor, 3.7 gigahertz. The It has actually 16 gigabyte DDR4 RAM memory and NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1070 8 gigabyte graphic card. This machine definitely will provide me a good experience in my most intense day of work, including for gaming situation, if I want to go in that way. This computer also comes with a 2 terabyte SATA TA3 hard drive, and it comes with a 480 gigabyte solid state drive to provide me an amplified storage and a fast boot up time. It comes, they actually provide you the Microsoft Windows Pro 10. It comes with it's actually a wireless computer. You can actually, at desktop, you can actually go wireless with it. And they actually give you a few features. They give you, it comes with that keyboard that you can see in there. I don't know if you can see it very well. Yeah, it comes with that keyboard, but that headset and mouse is from my old setup. So yeah, let me see here. Yeah. That's another laptop that I have. It's an HP. Alright guys, I just wanted to make this video with my new setup. It's in the box. Definitely in another video I'm gonna show it to you, everything assembled. I just was a little bit excited, and I wanted to share with you that I finally got it, and finally I'll be able to make decent video from now on for you guys only. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you have any comments, please post it below.